Dear students, welcome to the video lecture on electrical and electronics measurements, class 2. Today I am going to discuss the Wheatstone's sensitivity. When the bridge is balanced, the current through galvanometer is 0. Okay. So here what it is there, the bridge is balanced. What it will happens, the current through the galvanometer is 0. But when bridge is not balanced, current flow through the galvanometer causing the deflection. The amount of deflection depends on the sensitivity of galvanometer. It means what? When the bridge is unbalanced, means it is not balanced, what it will be happens, there will be a current is flowing through the galvanometer. The amount of deflection depends, the amount of deflection of the galvanometer depends on the sensitivity. Okay. So this sensitivity can be expressed as amount of deflection per unit current. So sensitivity is equal to deflection D divided by current. Okay. So now as the current is in terms of microamperes, so as the current is in terms of microampere, and the deflection can be measured in mm. So the mm per microampere, okay, or the radians per microampere or degree per microampere. Okay, so any one we can use. Okay, more is the sensitivity of the galvanometer, more is the deflection for the same amount of current. So next one is the another way of representing, okay, the galvanometer sensitivity is the amount of deflection per unit voltage across the galvanometer. Okay, so this is called voltage sensitivity. So here the deflection, how much it is, the galvanometer is deflected, okay, with respect to the voltage. So hence it is called the voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer. Mathematically it is denoted as SV, sensitivity, voltage sensitivity, is equal to theta, where theta is the deflection of galvanometer divided by voltage across galvanometer. Voltage across galvanometer. As we know, the bridge is consists. I will plot here. Okay, so this is R1, R2, R3, and R4. Okay, so here the voltage, okay, so the voltage across galvanometer. Okay, here my galvanometer is right. So here the what voltage will be available, that is called the voltage across galvanometer. So the sensitivity of the voltage will get theta divided by E. Okay, it is measured in degree per volt or radians per volts, okay, where E is in terms of voltage. So next one is the bridge sensitivity is defined as the bridge sensitivity is defined as the deflection of the galvanometer per unit fractional change in the unknown resistance. Okay, per unit fractional change in the unknown resistance. So the here delta R by R is the unit fractional change in unknown resistance. So the bridge sensitivity can be obtained is SB is denoted, okay, is equal to theta, where the theta is the deflection of the galvanometer, okay, divided by the unit fractional change in unknown resistance, that is delta R by R. Okay. Okay. Next is the voltage drop between A and D. Okay, so voltage drop between E AD. What shall I write here? The current is here is I2 in this direction. Okay, so I2 into R4 plus delta R. Okay, this is my third equation. Okay, what is the I2 here? I2 is nothing but here I2 is equal to E divided by the current I2 will be flows. The current I2 will flow from this source to the here in this direction, point A to the point D. In that A to D, the resistance R4 plus delta R. Next, from D to C, the resistance R3 and back to supply. So here the total resistance is R3 plus R4 plus delta R. Okay, this is my equation 4. So 4 equation I have obtained here, fine, which are listed out here. Okay, 4 equations. Now next step is, now we are going to calculating the voltage between B and D. Okay, so VBD is nothing but what is equal to VTH, where VTH is nothing but the Thevenin's voltage. That the voltage is EAD minus EAB. Okay, EAD minus EAB. From the previous equation, we got EAB in equation 1, EAD equation 3. Okay, so here these are substituted. Okay, so this is EAD and this is EAB. Okay, and the current I1 and I2 also substituted. Okay, so now next the E is common. Okay, so remaining terms are here. Remaining terms R4 plus delta R divided by R3 plus R4 plus delta R. This term in this E is taken out, and here also E is taken out, means R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Now this is the balance condition already we are obtained. R4 divided by R3 is equal to R1 divided by R2. Okay, then we can write the R1 divided by R1 plus R2 is equal to R4 divided by R4 plus R3. In place of R1 divided by R1 plus R2, okay, I can write this equation. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, so now here the R1 divided by R1 plus R2 is equal to R4 divided by R4 plus R3. So this equation I am replacing with this. Okay, R1 divided by R1 plus R2 replacing. So I got here this equation. Okay, now next step is cross multiplication. R3 into R4, R3 into delta R. So this is cross multiplication. Okay, R3 into R4, R3 into delta R. Okay, then R4 into R4, R4 square. Okay. So like that we are multiplying, we will get this equation. Okay, and after that we are cancelling the sum of the terms. I will show you once again here. Okay, so here this is R3 plus R4, R3 into R4. Okay, so plus this is minus, get cancels. Similarly, R4 delta R, R4 delta R, R4 delta R plus minus. Okay, minus r r4 square plus r4 square. Okay, like that it will be get cancels. Remaining terms here, e outside, okay, r3 delta r, this view, right? And denominator is as it is here. Okay. So now here this is the equation we got, right? So in denominator there is the r3 plus r4 into delta r, okay, is less than the, is very small, so compared to the r3 plus r4, so it is here neglected, and we got this equation. vth is nothing but vg is nothing but the voltage across galvanometer. Okay, when this equation we are obtained. Now further, the bridge sensitivity already we are defined theta divided by delta r by r. Okay, so delta r by r is nothing but here r is r4, in our case it is r4. Okay, so delta r divided by r4. So now the from the galvanometer sensitivity SV, okay, so theta is equal to SV into E, where E is voltage across galvanometer. So in place of E I will write Vg. Okay, so what it will be happens using the theta in expression of SB. So SB is equal to SV into Vg divided by delta R by R4. Okay, so here by solving this equation, okay, so we will get the term R4, it is in, I will show you here. Okay, this R4 it will, this R4 is appeared here because it is goes to the numerator. Okay, so next step is the SV E R3 into R4 divided by these terms. Okay, so here otherwise I will solve here. Okay, here I will solve this equation. Okay, so we know SB is equal to SV VG divided by delta R by R4. Okay, so here we know the VG, substituting the VG in this equation. Okay, substituting the VG in this equation, I will show you here. So substituting the VG in this equation, we will get this equation. Next step is, after obtaining this equation, right? So here the numerator what it is there, R3 and R4, that I will take to down and dividing with this denominator. Okay, so it's nothing but what it will be taken as, I will show you once again here. So here R3 R4, R3 and R4, so here I will remove. So it's nothing but what, it's nothing but what, SV into E divided by this R3 square. Okay, this R3 and 1 square it will be goes, so that R3 it will be remains and R4. So similarly R3 R4 in this case both it will be goes, only 2 it will be remains. Final in this R4 square what it is there, so 1 R4 it will be goes, 1 R4 it will be get cancels, right? 1 it will be remains. Okay, so that R4 1 it will be get cancels, So 1 R3 it will be remains. So here what it is, R4 by R3. So in general, I will conclude here that this, once again I will show you here, this whole divided by R3, R4, this you have to remove because you are taken down. So SV and E it will be remains in the numerator, and after dividing these things you will get this equation. Okay, so here the last point is the bridge sensitivity depends on the bridge parameters, the supply voltage and the voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer. Okay, with this I conclude this session.